Hey guys, John with Luxe here. Today we're going to put on the paint protection kit for the Challenger's rear bumper. It's going to protect this part of the bumper here that's painted from any rubber or road grime that pops up. You'll be able to clean it a lot easier if you're going to do burnouts or whatnot. It's important that you wet the whole surface and wet the back of this. If you have any dry spots, it tends to leave a little bruise in the film. So you want to make sure everything is nice and wet. Don't do this in the sun. Do it somewhere where you can control everything, and it's important to make sure your hands are clean so you don't get anything behind the PPF. I'm going to wet the back of the paint protection film too. Everything in this process gets wet. Now we're just going to take this template and line it up with the side marker. Everything should slide nice. You to be able to position the kit. Applying PPF is a little bit different than applying vinyl. I'm getting it nice and positioned correctly. So we have it positioned where the side marker's good, the cut up here is fine, and we're about a 1/16 of an inch away from here, so we're just fine. The thing I want to do is go ahead and apply right around the side marker. That'll be my starting point. There we go. And now the goal is to get all the moisture out from the film. So you'll notice most of the time when I apply vinyl, I'm pushing this way with the squeegee. With PPF, I'm pulling the squeegee the opposite direction. You can do it this way as well. It just depends on where you are on the install. Now when we get to the back, this area right here, but I want to go ahead and grab a little bit more fluid. Work it around this curve, slowly working the fingers out toward the edge, not applying a ton of pressure now. It's kind of letting the film, as you can see, it kind of works itself where it wants to be. Now a little bit slower, a little more pressure to help the water come out. This install is looking good and it's almost done. Usually getting PPF installed on your car, you're going to leave it overnight. They're going to lock all the edges the next morning after all the moisture evaporates out. I'm just helping speed up the process with the heat. So we're looking really good. The kit's almost completely installed on this side of the car. Wipe around, see what I'm dealing with. You can see if there's any moisture left, just like that right there. The easiest thing is going to be to push it down to the side marker probably, or up. We'll see which way it goes. Okay. So any little bit of moisture you have left underneath there, it will evaporate over the next couple of days, but you want to help out as much as possible. There we go. That's a complete install of this kit.